Hello and welcome to Double Dot Animation Training School. But it could be due to the height differences. So because of the amount of steps that the other person took more than you, or vice versa. Or let's say the short guy has taken 3 times more steps than the tall guy. Now it might probably be fixed by pulling up the toes, or maybe we should have placed the foot in a position that it doesn't extend that much. This is abnormal and it is ruining the beauty of the pose. So I try to adjust the feet slowly. In order to know where I have to put the keys for rotation, I select them both. I activate the rotation, meaning that I put a key for that.